Hello, welcome. Sorry, I've been out of the country for a couple weeks, but I am back and we are ready to rock. So, what did I miss while I was away? Well, not a whole lot. It was obviously a pretty good week last week. It looked like it went up quite a bit over the last week because, for the most part, the last month or so has kind of been around here. So, obviously, good news last week, which obviously meant volatility went down. Again, we always start with the SPY, which is the S&P 500 ETF. So that's S&P 500, low volatility, near at all-time highs, looking very good. Obviously, the Nasdaq always looks fairly similar. Same story. It's near its or at its highs, low volatility. If we go to the Russell, again, usually that's the one that looks a little bit different compared to the other ones, only because it's not at its all-time highs. But the chart looks exactly the same, and again, volatility very low. So, what are we going to trade this week? Well, we're going to look at oil because, of course, oil's been on a wild ride because of all the Middle East mayhem going on. It's shot up, it's down, it's up, volatility's all over the place. You can see right here by the chart, you can see what's been going on. Obviously, with the Middle East crisis, it's shot way up, which meant volatility shot way up. Things seem to be calming down, kind of. Not totally. You can see it's still kind of higher than it's been for a while. And also, if you look at volatility right here, if we go back this way, essentially since the crisis has kind of been around, this is still pretty high volatility. It's at 35. So it's still good volatility, pretty wild ride. This is the kind of thing we want to get into. So let's set this up. We'll do an iron condor. We'll go to the trade page. We're going to go right here to 47 days, which tomorrow will be 46, which is right in our wheelhouse. I've saved the trouble of setting this thing up on the fly. So here we are. The stock price is essentially $73. So I'm going $7 up on the call side. I'm going $7 down on the put side. And then I'm buying the call and put that are $2 away to make this a $2 wide iron condor. Again, if I collect at least 66 cents or more on this trade, that is a valid trade. So tomorrow, assuming everything stays the same in USO, which again is oil. If you look right here, it says United States Oil ETF. We're going to go $7 up, $7 down, buy those call and put, sell those calls, sell that put, and then buy the call and put $2 away to make it a $2 wide iron condor. As long as we're collecting at least 66 cents or more, that is our trade for tomorrow in USO. It is good to be back. Good to have you all back. And let's get back to trading. Hello, everybody. Cal here with an ancient Chinese proverb, which I'm sure you have all heard before. Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime. Why am I telling you this? Because most services out there just give you a fish. They tell you, oh, make this trade, I made this much money, I made millions of dollars, do this, do this, do this. That's not my goal. My goal is to teach you to fish for a lifetime. I want to teach you the skill of trading so you can go out and make as much money as you want to on your own. And the best way I've come about to do that, at least for me, is to basically set up an alert system where you can watch me trade in real time. You'll get texts or emails directly to you in real time of the trades I make every week. I do 2 to 3 trades a week, so it's going to tell you everything you need to know about the trade, why I did it, how I did it, what I did as far as specifics. And then you're also going to get the closing alerts when I close them for the maximum profit potential on these trades. Like, how do I close these trades? Why do I close them? To get the best profit potential over time. And I want you to do it without any risk, which is why I've set this up for $1 for the first month. You'll get my option income alerts for the first month for only $1, and you can cancel anytime, so there's no risk on this one. You're risking $1 to see if you can turn that knowledge or learn to fish. You'll use this code, MakeB1. If you want more, we have the Option Pro Alert, which is the exact same alert, but it also gives you access to every course and webinar I've ever made. It's a 13-course bundle, obviously thousands of dollars in knowledge. Again, you can do this using this code, and this is only $19 for the first month. And again, you can cancel this one at any time. So again, a risk-free attempt to learn and see if it's something you want to do. Here they are right here. If you want to go do it, you can go to sharpertrades.com, go to the products page. These two will pop up. You can type in these codes down here, or you can just go directly to this link right here, and it'll build the code in itself or the attachment I have at Udemy along with this little video. So again, my goal is to teach you to fish. I can't think of a better way to do that than to trade side by side with me in real time. Hopefully you jump on this opportunity. Hope to see you soon. Take care.